So in this tutorial, we learn how to get started with Copilot free in your VS Code. All you need is a GitHub account. So first, click the Copilot icon at the top of your screen and click sign in. So here I have my GitHub account. So all you need is to allow VS Code to connect to your account. So click continue and click open Visual Studio Code. And Visual Studio Code will automatically install Copilot. So now you have a GitHub Copilot AI pair programmer by your side. So we can test it by typing create a simple HTML login page and wait for your AI to work some magic. See, it has generated our HTML code. So you can easily copy the code and paste it in your code editor. So that's how to get started with Copilot in VS Code. Thanks for watching. I'm Edwin from Mepro Education.